Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Brevo for transactional emails and no-code builds, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to your web browser. Type in the URL for Brevo. Press enter to open the Brevo homepage. On the homepage, locate the Sign Up button. Click on Sign Up to start creating your account. Fill in the required fields such as your email address and password. Review the terms and conditions, then check the box to agree. Click the Create Account button to proceed. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. Open your email inbox and find the confirmation email from Brevo. Click on the confirmation link within that email. This will redirect you back to the Brevo platform. You may need to log in again with your credentials. Once logged in, locate the dashboard. Look for the Transactional Emails section in the left sidebar. Click on that section to start setting up your transactional emails. Next, find the Get Started or Create New button. Click on it to begin configuring your first email. You will be prompted to name your email template. Choose a clear and descriptive name for easy reference. Select the type of transaction this email will handle. You can choose from options like order confirmations or password resets. After selection, proceed to the email editor. In the email editor, you can customize your email content. Use the drag and drop features to add text, images, or buttons. Make sure to include dynamic data if necessary. This will ensure the email is personalized for the recipient. Once you're satisfied with the design, look for the Save option. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.